What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Viraj from slcyberspace and I'm going to take you guys through a step-by-step tutorial on logo designing using Canva. Let's go ahead.
Canva is a great free website where you can create tons of logos from scratch or using templates and make your YouTube channel look more professional.
Open the Google Chrome or any other web browser. And type Canva logo creator and click the first link that comes up or click the link in the description below. First of all, I recommend you guys to sign up. Follow the steps to set up your Canva account. Now, this is the main area of your Canva account. We must prioritize on logo design as there are many other options. Now click on the logo. And this is the work area for designing your logo. There are few tools in the site. The design tab for choosing templates, the elements tab for getting pictures for use in the logo, and the text tab for choosing text styles for your logo, and the brand tab. And next is the upload, where you can upload your own pictures etc. to be used in the logo design. Next up, there are some more tabs which are not most important for your basic logo designing. Now we will start to design our logo. When come to the designing of logos in Canva, we have two choices, that is designing from scratch or just use a template. As a beginner's guide, I will go on with the templates. We can type our intended logo design like this. For YouTube, you can type YouTube Tech. For gaming, you can type gaming, and likewise you can type photography, vlog, and if there are templates which are royalty free, then they will show. Now I am going to select one of the template. As we select, they give us related color theme templates. Now as I have selected the template, I will go with this, and now I am going to edit my template. As I have finished editing, let's download it. Now that's the basics of editing. Now I am going to edit my template in somewhat advanced ways by changing the colors and adding some elements. Finished product after doing little bit changes using colors and elements. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe and share.